How to post a status on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to share a photo, video, or text update with your contacts through WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the Status tab at the top of the screen next to Chats. From there, tap the pencil icon at the bottom right corner to create a new status. At this point, you'll be given a few options. You can post a text status or tap the gallery icon to upload a photo or video from your device. In the next step, select the type of status you want to post. Following this, if you chose a photo or video, pick the one you want to share from your gallery. Once done, you can edit it by adding text, stickers, emojis, or drawings on top using the tools at the top of the screen. From here, if you're posting a text status instead, type your message and customize the background color and font style to your liking. At this stage, before posting, tap the privacy icon at the bottom left corner if you want to control who can see your status. You can share it with all contacts, select contacts only, or exclude certain people. After this, once you're happy with everything, tap the green Send button at the bottom right to post your status. Finally, your status will go live and will be visible to your selected contacts for 24 hours before it disappears automatically. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you share your first status, give it a like. Subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.